LEDAC priority bills now include the measure for the execution of the first parliamentary elections in Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao to be held in September this year. Luisa Rispe has more in this report.
The Senate has opened to the plenary session a proposed measure seeking to finalize the conduct of the parliamentary elections in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, or BARM, on September 2026. Serving as the bill's sponsor, Majority Leader Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri asserted that the electoral process in the region must proceed without further obstruction.
Gusto ko man pong magkaroon ng halalan sa lalong madaling panahon. Malaga po ang maayos nating mapaghandaan ito para siguradong matuloy na ito sa September, Mr. President, at hindi na tayo mapipilitan mag-postpone muli.
This represents the fourth instance that the elections has been deferred. The polls were originally slated for 2022 but was rescheduled to 2025 due to the global pandemic. In May 2025, the schedule was moved to October. However, due to complications regarding redistricting, the timeline was adjusted again to March 2026. Present, the proposal seeks to reschedule the elections to September 2026. Notwithstanding these changes, the measure stipulates that elected officials will retain a 3-year term of office. The elections will be conducted independently from the national polls to prevent cutting the terms of the elected members of parliament short. Aside from Senator Zubiri, several other senators have manifested their support to the proposed measure.
Kailangan nating gawin itong eleksyon na ito sa BARM sapagkat kung walang eleksyon, wala talagang gobyerno. Naglolokohan lang po tayo. Upang mabigyan po natin ng katuparan ang intensyon ng BOL.
We fully support this measure. It's about time, Mr. President, that we take part in giving our people in the Bangsamoro region the opportunity to elect their leaders and exercise their right to suffrage.
Maalala ko, 2018, 2019, sana po'y makamtan na natin ang ating inaasam na kapayapaan po sa Mindanao.
Meanwhile, the Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, expressed satisfaction that President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has personally designated the passage of the parliamentary election law as legislative priority. However, the Commission has indicated a limited 3-month window to accredit all participating political parties and sectoral organizations.
Technically, kinakailangan by June 1, meron na kaming final list ng kandidato sa lahat, parliamentary district, political parties, at sa mga sectoral, upang mailagay na namin yan, maipapasok na yan sa database na gagamitin natin para sa automated election.
Luisa Rispe from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.